Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's me, Paris. I filmed this video to be considered as a comeback this year 2025. The reason is that I don't want to proceed with the next episodes without telling you that I am planning for a comeback and I will upload more videos in this YouTube channel. Short, get to know me. My name is Kyril Paris. This is my YouTube channel. Hey, it's me, Paris. I joined YouTube channel year 2013 and I become active way back year 2017. Those days I was flying, working as a cabin crew in the Philippines. Those days I share different topics under the sun, flight attendant diaries, all about travels, makeup tutorials, shopping hauls, and so on. Pandemic 2021, I decided to pause for a while in uploading, filming different topics here in my YouTube channel. Doing vlogs is also my passion. Enjoy when I share some helpful information towards my viewers. Yes, I love it when I share some ideas, knowledge, and also some hacks, tips. I love the feeling whenever I share some for my audience. Life update. Right now, I am working as international cabin crew or flight attendant. With this, I want to share some information, ideas, these memories that I have, stories, maybe you can relate with, makeup tutorials, life updates, shopping hacks, shopping tips all over the world, travels. This phase of my life right now, I feel like I want to share it with you all, memories that I will surely keep with me. Anything under the sun. I'm so excited to experience all of this with you. I hope you stay tuned. Hope you learn something from it. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Hey, it's me, Paris. Cannot wait for you to come with me. Let's share and talk everything under the sun. Here's my short introduction for this New Year comeback 2025. Please watch this. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Bye.